Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are proud to present for sale this lovely Suzuki Splash 2013 model. Just come in part exchange for another new vehicle. Extremely low mileage, only got 34,000 miles on the clock. Also equipped with rear parking sensors and remote central locking. Low insurance group of 11E and only £30 a year road tax. Our customers tell us they like it, the versatility of the vehicle, when the seats are dropped. Comfortably fit 5 people in it with seats at the rear sat in the upright position. Just take you inside the car. As you can see, you've got a height adjustable driver's seat. Air conditioning as well for the hot summer days. Radio CD player. Electric mirrors and windows. Just show you inside the boot. And you've got an under storage compartment as well, so you can hide things away in there. Once this particular vehicle has been sold, we will fully service and MOT the vehicle for 12 months, giving you complete peace of mind that when you drive it away, she's in the best possible condition. Thank you for watching this video.